What's the meaning of aggrandizement? Aggrandizement. 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 The term aggrandizement refers to the act of increasing one's power, wealth or status, often through aggressive and self-serving means. The result of aggrandizement can have negative effects such as exploitation, inequality and social unrest. The pursuit of aggrandizement can also be destructive to personal relationships and lead to the erosion of trust. In addition, the focus on personal gain over the well-being of others can ultimately result in a loss of respect and influence. Ultimately, aggrandizement promotes individualism and undermines collective progress.